Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, we would like to introduce an online ammonia nitrogen sensor, the KWS-290. This sensor is manufactured using an ammonium ion-selective electrode based on a PVC membrane. And it combines the measurement results of a pH electrode for compensation, thereby accurately calculating and determining the total ammonia-nitrogen concentration in water. The KWS-290 is mainly suitable for online ammonia-nitrogen monitoring in industries such as wastewater treatment and aquaculture. The sensor adopts an RS-485 communication interface and supports the Modbus RTU communication protocol, making it convenient to connect with devices such as PLC, industrial control computers, and 4G-DTU for data communication and integration. The video will simultaneously display the detailed parameter table of this product for your reference. Installation and wiring. An installation thread is provided at the top of the sensor, with a thread specification of G3/4. The installation diagram is shown below. Depending on actual application scenarios, the sensor can be installed using various methods, including but not limited to submersible installation and flow-through installation. Users can flexibly choose the appropriate installation method according to on-site conditions. Please use a 4-core twisted pair shielded cable for wiring. The wire assignments are clearly defined as follows. Red wire. Connect to 12 to 24 VDC power positive. Black wire. Connect to 0 volts, GND. Yellow wire. Connect to RS-485A. Green wire. Connect to RS-485B. Now, we will begin the wiring operation. Before powering on the sensor, please make sure to carefully check that the wiring sequence is correct and that the power supply voltage meets the requirements. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed, and the cables used by the user should have good corrosion resistance. To ensure long-term stable operation of the sensor under complex working conditions. Power on. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. Next, I will demonstrate how to use software and Modbus commands to read the sensor address and measurement values. The sensor's default communication parameters are baud rate 9600, 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, no parity. The sensor's default address is 01. Assuming we do not know the current sensor address, we can directly modify the sensor address. First, let's check whether the current sensor address is 01. We enter the Modbus command 0103000000002 and click Send. Click Send. If the sensor does not respond, it indicates that the current address is not 01. At this point, we need to send the command to directly modify the address. Regardless of the current address, this command can set the address to 01. Now, we send the command 001000 C0003006000600022580. This command is mentioned in the manual, and the detailed meaning can be found in the product manual. Specifically, we need to change 0002 in the command to 001, so that the sensor address returns to 001. The first 000 in the command represents the broadcast address. After clicking send, if the sensor still does not respond, we can resend this command again, and the sensor will respond. This proves that the sensor address has now been set to 001 by this command. Therefore, accessing the sensor registers using address 01 will now receive a response. Next, according to the manual, the sensor's measurement value and temperature are stored in register 0000. This means we can read this register to obtain the measurement value and temperature. The pH value is stored in register 00006, occupying one register. By reading register 0006, we can obtain the pH value. We also need to read the measurement unit. The measurement unit is stored in register 0008. Also occupying one register. After sending the command, the unit value is displayed as 002. Next, register 069 stores the current ammonia nitrogen measurement value. Using a calculator, we convert 0069 to decimal, which is 105. Since the measurement value has 2 decimal places, the actual value is 105 milligrams. L. The temperature value is 062B, which converts to 1579 in decimal. According to the manual, the temperature value has 2 decimal places. So the current temperature is 15.79 degrees Celsius. The pH value is 0329, which converts to 809 in decimal. The manual also indicates that the pH value has 2 decimal places, so the pH value is 809. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.